All right, here is a modified 3D rendering starting in the living room with our base cabinets at 24 deep. The uppers are 18.5, so the inside depth of the uppers will be 18, deep enough for that bowl. Finished cherry interior, thick clear glass shelves, and clear glass on the doors. And we will need electrical for under cabinet and a puck light here and here, stubbed out at 56 inches. The added hall bath, pretty straightforward, just replacing same width, only it'll be taller. But here's the style of it. Same width, just the same height as the kitchen cabinets. And the kitchen layout. So starting with the island, if we do the wings on the back, the countertop will overhang a little bit beyond this, the face of this wall. And if we have 42 inches from the face of the microwave cabinet, this red line is 42. So the time you overhang the granite, 42 inches of space. And then if we draw a line down the plane of this, it sticks out just a little bit, just a couple inches. But we have 42 inches here. And come on, computer, here we go. It's being sluggish. The wings, paneling on the back, some narrow cabinets on the back here for the support. So looking at it from the living room side, it's just a more massive base. Gosh, it's really slow today. So the front of the island, sink center, dishwasher to the right, drawer stack on the left, on the right, drawer stack on the left, your trash here. Lazy Susan in the corner, this L-shaped upper, large drawer stack here. This all pretty much stayed the same. And then we'll have a little panel that terminates into the face of this wall, and then the crown molding, that too will terminate into the face of this. So you can see the cabinet above the fridge sticking out a little bit with the fridge leg. Our microwave, doors below, there's 3 rollouts behind these doors, spice pull out, tray divider, drawer stack, your hood, then uppers. So looking at the fridge wall, the electrical needs to be stubbed out right around here, 91.5 inches off the floor. If you want to do lights at the top, 2 puck lights here, so electrical stubbed out at 56. Same thing on this wall. This hood, there's a piece of soffit that we put up that'll go right across the top. The bottom of the hood's at 72 inches off the floor, or 73. And then the top of the crown will be at 94.5 inches, really close to what it was before. All right, let me know what you think of that. Oh, and let's look at the front of the island here. So our sink is centered. The length of the island is, it's not 112. We took off about 8 inches. So 108 on that. Yeah, because we needed 42 inches here, 42 inches here. So that's why we had to take a little bit off. Gosh, it's slow today. And then looking down for this base cabinet, if that's 23 and 7/8 deep, that wing on the back. So that countertop would be 42 inches front to back in depth. Okay, thanks.